Hi, my dear students. You are welcome to the online learning platform. Today, you are going to learn about plasma arc cutting and welding process. Now you are going to see the features of plasma arc welding. Plasma arc welding have very good features. That is, it can protect your electrode well. It can use low ampere welding capability as low as 0.05 amperes. Arc consistency and gentle arc starting. Minimum high frequency noise issues. High frequency only in pilot arc starts, not for each weld. Arc energy density reaches 3 times that of gas tungsten arc welding. Higher weld speeds are possible. You can do more higher speed welding with this process. Weld times as short as 0.005 seconds. So in a very short time we can do good welds. Length of arc benefits due to arc shape and even heat distribution. Diameter of arc chosen via nozzle orifice. Then here we can see the advantages of plasma arc welding. We can see the control and quality. This is by the torch which has been designed that will allow for better control of the arc. Then more freedom during manual welding. While you are doing manual welds, torch to work distance from the plasma arc is less critical than gas tungsten arc welding. But in gas tungsten arc welding, the distance between the torch and the work it makes more critical. But here it is not like that. So more freedom to observe and control the weld. Then faster travel speeds. The higher heat concentration and the plasma jet allows for higher travel speeds. You can do this plasma welding with higher speeds and you can make more production. Keyhole effects. High temperature and high heat concentration of plasma allow for the keyhole effects, which promotes complete penetration, single pass welding or many joints. So keyhole effect is more useful in this process. Lesser angular distortion. Heat affected zone is smaller than the gas tungsten arc welding. It means in gas tungsten arc welding the heat affected zone will be approximately from 3 inches to 4 inches, where the material is disturbed because of the heat affected zones. But here you have lesser angular distortion because the heat affected zone is very smaller when compared to gas tungsten arc welding. So your weld have more parallel sides. Now you can see the disadvantages of plasma arc welding. You can see here this process needs greater heat input. It wants more heat. It produces wider weld and heat affected zones than LBW and EBW. This may result in more distortion and loss of mechanical properties. So, where there is more distortion, you will have loss of mechanical properties. Then, this process is a complex and more costly. You need high startup cost, and plasma welding equipment are very expensive. So this process is more expensive and it is costly and complex. So this process needs more specialized welding methods. So the specialized welding process and specialized welding methods needs more training and experience. So the operator should be given more training and the people should get more experience to get quality welds by this process. It gives out ultraviolet and infrared radiations. So this ultraviolet and infrared radiations are very harmful to the human being, especially to the welder. So he should take care of himself while he is doing this welding process. Operation produces a high noise of order of 100 dBs. So when they do this process, you will get a high noise of 100 dBs. Generally, a human being or a person is exposed to get at 80 dBs, but this process gives more than 80 dBs means, so it is hazards. It is hazards process where a person may lose his ears. Bulkiness of the torch, it makes manual welding more. So now this is the end of this topic. Hope you have already understood well, but if you are unable to understand this subject, you can ask me the questions. I can explain you well.